Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this adorable little panda together. Connect 3 white pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Thread one end through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. When you're done, it should look like this. Roll a black pipe cleaner into a circle. Apply glue to the end to secure it. Thread it through the center, then glue it in place. Connect 3 pipe cleaners together. Next, wrap them around a pen. Thread one end through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess, then tuck the wire end inside. Thread it through the center, then twist tightly to secure. Trim off the excess, then tuck the wire end inside. Bend 2 1 cm pieces of pipe cleaner to make the ears. Make 2 ears, then glue them in place. Roll a small circle and glue it to the center of the face. Glue on the plastic eyes and nose. Glue on a short piece of black thread to make the mouth. Add a little blush. Bend 2 2 cm pieces of pipe cleaner to make the arms. Glue both arms in place. Roll half a pipe cleaner into a circle. Glue it to the body to make the feet. Add a small tail. And our little panda is finished. See you in the next video.